Alright guys, 2005 Ford F-150 4.6 liter Triton. Sexy truck. Got high flow cats there and there. Then what we got done on is true duals all the way back. Somebody else did it, we didn't do it. But he brought it was way too loud for him, so we put on 2 glass packs, cherry bombs. There'll be a link in the description. They're the small ones. Tinies. And then it's still 2 1/4 all the way back on each side. And we put our signature 6-inch tips there and right there. Complete the look. Give it a little bit more deep tone, a little bit nicer sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. By the way, guys, this is the customer revving his own truck, not us. Just to let you know. So you guys don't think we're just rev them out like crazy. Again. That's insane. Again. Looks, dude, it sounds so much better now. It's got that deepness to it. This is our daily, guys. End of day. Just fun. And we're gonna let you guys see all these drive-offs. Go! Disperse! That's so funny. Disperse into the universe! First, the 370Z. Next. The F-150. True dual 6-inch tips. And then we'll do the ultimate last. And then the ultimate with a 5-inch tip, muffler and resonator delete. Here you go.